Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel, and today we're covering the world's most affordable generative AI computer. So that is the NVIDIA's brand new Jetson Orin Nano Super.
Ladies and gentlemen, our brand new AI computer, the little tiny Jetson Nano. This is a brand new Jetson Nano Super. Almost 70 trillion operations per second, 25 watts, and $249. It runs everything that the HGX does, even runs large language models. You could create an agentic AI that reasons and plans. So you could use it for a robot, you could use it for a workstation. It's an incredible computer.
So NVIDIA has just raised the bar for embedded AI systems with their latest launch. This is the Jetson Orin Nano Developer Kit. Super powerful, compact, and affordable toolkit designed to bring AI to the edge. Let's break down why this tiny powerhouse is a game changer. First up, the specs. The Jetson Orin Nano packs up to 40 trillion operations per second of AI performance. It features the NVIDIA Ampere GPU architecture, 1024 CUDA cores and 32 Tensor cores, ensuring incredible computational power for AI workloads. This just only requires power for 7 to 25 watts. So what can you do with it? It's perfect for developers building AI-powered robots, drones, smart cameras, or edge AI applications. Imagine using this to create autonomous delivery bots or advanced computer vision projects. The possibilities are endless. The best part, developer-friendly. NVIDIA provides a whole ecosystem with pre-trained AI models, software development kits, and tools like NVIDIA DeepStream, making it easier than ever to prototype and deploy AI solutions. And here's the cherry on top. The Orin Nano Developer Kit starts just at $249. For the performance it delivers, that's a steal for developers and startups looking to innovate without breaking the bank. Whether you're working on real-time AI inference or developing new machine learning models, the Orin Nano has got you covered. The Jetson Orin Nano Developer Kit is available now, so don't miss out. For more information, check out the links in the description. And hey, if you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with your tech-loving friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.